We are here in Kennesaw preparing to do an oil change and front and rear brake pads replacement on a 2002 RX300 Lexus 3.0 liter engine. And your brakes is on. At gmail.com 404-374-1221. Yaya on Instagram. On a 2002 RX300 Lexus, the order was to check all fluids, and the transmission fluid is good. You cannot check this transmission fluid while it's cold. You have to get it hot, or you'll get a premature reading. And it's on the mark. Your brakes is on at gmail.com 404-374-1221. Y'all on Instagram. It's your brakes on. We're working on a 2002 Lexus RX300. The rear brake caliper bolt at the top. The guide pin was broke. We had to punch it out. It was rusted using freeze-off silicone, brake part cleaner, and WD-40. It was broke off also in the brake bracket. And we had to take this here broken bolt out and screw the new one in. We're good to go. Your brakes on at gmail.com 404-374-1221. Y'all on Instagram. Front brakes, removal installation. See all this rust, no lubrication, causing the squeak and give you a premature wear brakes. The guide pins have to be greased. This comes out, and lubed. And then you lube your brakes up. No squeaks, no squeals. Your brakes is on at gmail.com 404-374-1221. Y'all on Instagram. Lexus 2002 RX300. This is the proper tool to depress the brake caliper piston using an old brake pad and a C-clamp. As you notice, the guide pin is lubed up. This is lubed up, it's moving. And now we gotta lube up these anti-rattlers right here. And put your brakes on. Your brakes on at gmail.com 404-374-1221. Y'all on Instagram. Right here on the anti-rattler, you see the rust right here? Your brakes is on. We gotta make sure that these brake pads are retracting and moving, and they are not causing premature wear on the brake pad. Your brakes is on at gmail.com 404-374-1221. These have to be removed. No squeaks, no squeals. Your brakes is on. It's finished with the front brakes on the 2002 Lexus RX300. The rotor has been lubed up, because if it's not lubed up, then on some cars like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Volvo, which have the studs instead of lugs, they are hard to get off. And this has been lubed good. Your brakes is on at gmail.com 404-374-1221. Your brakes is on. Y'all on Instagram. I'm Yaya. Your brakes is on. The betterment in these other song. Possible 24 hours a day. We will advance them to you. No Riley really has the part. Do you happen to own a Mercedes, BMW, perhaps a Rolls Royce? Empire has all fire parts. It's your brakes on.